What's up, y'all? Let's try out this Green Mountain naturally flavored maple pecan. All right, it's for the Keurig. We're gonna see what this stuff tastes like. I've done some maple pecan before, and I think that was Starbucks, but this one says Green Mountain naturally flavored maple pecan. So what did the Starbucks have? Artificial flavoring? I don't know. So we're gonna check this out. We're gonna get a cup of this made, and we're gonna go outside and have us a drink. How about that? Let's get with it. So here we are, December, what are we? 13th, 2023. Now the end of the year is closing in on us. We got some Green Mountain naturally flavored maple pecan. All right. We got a cup of this goodness. We're gonna find out it's some goodness. I hope it is. Normally I drink Folgers every day at work, and I think it's about 9:30 right now. I'm not even sure. By now I probably already had at least 2 cups of coffee, and I hadn't had one yet this morning, so I'm ready for it. It's a little windy, not much. Been cold at night, been in the 30s. I think it's supposed to be in the 60s today. I got some projects I need to work on. Another day off work. Get the rest of the year off. I'd like to get a couple of these trees cut. Make things a little safer around here. Big storm. I've lost a couple in storms in the past. Let's see if this coffee's cool enough to try. Cheers. It'll do. Doesn't taste bad. I mean, you can taste the walnut. I don't know about any maple. You can't taste any maple. I do find it funny, flavored coffee, that you can't taste the flavor that they're getting at. But when we're talking about maple, does it mean like a woody to be maple pecan? Maybe I can taste the pecan. Did I just say maple walnut a while ago? Wow, that's kind of weird. So anyway, it's maple pecan. I mean, you have like maple syrup, and so it definitely doesn't taste anything like maple syrup. But I have no idea what a maple tree tastes like. So I mean, is this supposed to mean maple means it has a woody flavor to it? I feel like I taste it in a pecan. I'm not wild about it, but I'll drink it. Hey, form your own opinion. Like I say, this is Green Mountain Maple Pecan. It's the naturally flavored. I'm drinking it black. How do you like your coffee? Oh, my daughter was drinking some eggnog last night. I thought it was an awesome idea. Putting eggnog in coffee. Wow, I bet that tastes good. In my head, it may taste better than it actually does. That was pretty windy. leaves falling and rolling around. Find it funny. This is the first year that the leaves haven't been blown back on my property by my neighbor, but they're not as young as they used to be. A little less active than they used to be. When we first moved here, they used to burn their leaves all the time. Then they got to where they were, the gentleman that lives there would always blow the leaves back in my yard. He claimed that they came from my side. Look, whether they came from my side or not, I find it pretty rude that somebody would blow leaves back in your yard claiming that they were your leaves. But whatever. Some people are like that. So my daughter thought it'd be funny if we'd just go ahead and blow the leaves back into our yard just for the tradition's sake. Well, y'all, I'm gonna enjoy this coffee, and I want to get on with my day. Get some things to do. I'm gonna go pick my daughter up for lunch, and hey, enjoy your day, enjoy your December. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Thanks for watching.